Alright, you guys, look at that thing. It is super sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So, i.am, it's like fashion kind of awesome. Gadget, you know, Bluetooth earphones for the dope, which is pretty awesome. Called buttons. And I love it. I love it. It's super cool. Look at that. On the side here. The back, they look so cool. On this side, 1% goes to charity. That's so nice. I like that. Cool. So, here we go. Let's go ahead and open this thing. So, let's see if it's, oh, it's easy. Looks like it's magnet. Chew. Alright, yeah, here we go. Alright. Oh, you have the package content. The earphones, charging cable, different kind of sizes for any type of ear. Sounds like alien stuff. So cool. Oh, we have a magazine here, or is it a manual inside? So, let's check it out. Whoa, it's like touching. Whoa, for the dupe. Alright. God, I love it. So there's this tab. Let's go ahead and remove that. Put the headphones aside for now. Let's see what else is in the box. Alright, let's check out what's this. Let's see. Quick start guide. Warranty. What is this? Oh, a i.am kind of logo sticker. Pretty cool. Thank you very much. Man, I love his music. It's pretty cool. I love. Let's see, what else do we have here? Is there a tab? Can you get that? Yeah, this one. There's a tab. Not bad, not bad. So. Here we go, charging cable. I like it. It's like, you know, those steel kind of braided kind of cables. Looks heavy duty. And I like the different kind of sizes. Depending on your ear, you can change the earbud. So, oh, it smells very like a new thing. That's about it, nothing else. And then the box. Back. Okay. Let's check it out. Whoa! Oh yeah. So cool. Alright. Here we go. Look at that. I love this type of material. It's like it's not nylon. It's like a braided kind of cottony material. I like that. Very heavy duty. Super. Whoa, whoa, sweet. Alright, wait, am I getting it correct? Which stuff to something? Ah, alright. There you go. Okay. Whoa, that's about it? Yeah, nothing else. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Man, they feel so good, you know, high quality stuff. This is metal. No kidding. Look at that. I love the click. Like it. Charging port. It's over here. Micro is USB. I wanted to say SD. What's up? And you know the cool thing about it, it's magnetic. So you can just leave it hanging on your neck. So nice. Look at that. Sweet.